Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name's Shibad Noor and I'm come back to my another video. Today I will go to say about what should we do before some days in our examination for achieving a good result. So there are many steps for achieving a good result. So let's go start the video. The first step is you have to set a goal previous all days in your examination, and the second step is you can make a daily routine in your study time, and after making it you have to try maintaining it as much as possible to you. And the next step is you have to read more and more in your textbook, because teacher don't make question without in your textbook. Every teacher make question from your textbook, so it's very important and helpful for you. And the next step is you can revise in your all past notes and short tricks. It's also helpful for you. And the last and most important step is you can read some previous board question, because by reading previous board question you will be able to realize what types of question come to the exam. So it's very important for a student, and I think by maintaining and following all steps and rules, a student will be able to achieve good result in your examination. So it's very important for a student. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Pray for me. Tata.